Today is Petrichor's first pop-up. It's at 8. It's 7 right now. I wish changing Joel was this fast. Joel and I are ready to go. So we're gonna go out there in the rain. Woohoo! And I couldn't find Joel's beanie, so we're not gonna match today. It's 7:42. We're in the car by 7:46. Let's go. Joel and I were able to get there and support our first ever Petrichor Brew Lab pop-up event. Thanks to Afterburn Fitness for hosting us. We ended around 11 a.m., put all of our stuff away, and headed to a brewery. Thanks for watching.